Welcome to the electrifying world of cryptocurrency, where fortunes can be made and lost in the blink of an eye. Every cycle, the same question echoes across the digital landscape. Is this the next Bitcoin? And by the way, feel free to save these AI-imaged results. The buzz is deafening. Everyone is searching for that one coin, that hidden gem, that could explode in value and change their life forever. The potential for massive, unprecedented gains is real, and it's intoxicating. But hold on. Before you dive headfirst into the next hot altcoin promising the moon, you need to understand the brutal reality. The potential for massive losses is just as real, if not more so. This video is not about predicting the future. It's about arming you with the essential facts, the critical knowledge you need before you even think about investing a single dollar. Our goal is simple: to help you navigate this volatile market and avoid the costly mistakes that trap so many. Bitcoin stands as the undisputed king, a phenomenon that has redefined finance and technology. Its success is unprecedented, a true outlier in the history of assets. It wasn't just a cryptocurrency, it was the first. This pioneering status gave it an incredible head start and built a foundation unlike any other. Its decentralized nature is its core strength, a system free from central control, resistant to censorship and manipulation. This is revolutionary. The strictly limited supply, capped at 21 million coins, positions it as a digital store of value, a hedge against inflation in an era of endless money printing. Scarcity drives value. The network effect surrounding Bitcoin is immense. The sheer number of users, developers, miners, and businesses built upon it creates an almost impenetrable moat. Bitcoin has faced down countless challenges, survived multiple market cycles, and endured intense scrutiny from governments and institutions worldwide. It has proven its resilience. This track record has built a level of trust and legitimacy that no other cryptocurrency currently possesses. It has earned its status. Now let's talk about the next Bitcoin hype machine. The desire to replicate Bitcoin's success is a powerful force, driving countless investors to chase the next big thing. This intense desire creates a market frenzy, a speculative bubble where logic often takes a backseat to emotion. It's a breeding ground for irrational exuberance. The hype machine is relentless. It operates 24/7, fueled by social media, online forums, and a constant stream of new projects. Every single day, new cryptocurrencies, known as altcoins, emerge, each vying for your attention and your capital. The sheer volume is overwhelming. These projects often arrive with grand promises of revolutionary technology that will disrupt entire industries. They claim to be faster, cheaper, more scalable than anything before. They also promise astronomical returns, often using phrases like 100x potential or to the moon. These promises are designed to trigger your greed. Aggressive marketing tactics are the norm. Projects employ sophisticated strategies to generate buzz and attract early investors. Sometimes they even use celebrity endorsements, paying famous personalities to promote their coin, blurring the lines between genuine interest and paid advertisement. Crucially, they exploit FOMO, the fear of missing out. They create a sense of urgency, making you feel like you must invest now or miss your only chance at life-changing wealth. Let me be absolutely clear. You must be extremely wary of these claims. Approach them with the highest level of skepticism. The harsh reality is that many, perhaps even most, altcoins are either poorly conceived copies of existing technology or outright scams designed to take your money. Don't become a victim. So, how do you cut through the noise? What are the essential considerations you must evaluate before investing in any new cryptocurrency? This is where the real work begins. First, scrutinize the technology. Does it actually solve a real problem? Is it truly innovative, or just a slight variation of something that already exists? Is it scalable enough to handle widespread adoption? You need to go beyond the marketing fluff. Read the white paper, the technical document outlining the project's goals and technology. Try to understand the underlying code if you can, or find trusted sources who can explain it. Next, research the team behind the project. Who are the developers and founders? What is their track record? Do they have relevant experience in technology, finance, or the industry they aim to disrupt? Look for transparency and accountability. Are the team members public? Do they communicate openly with the community? Are they committed for the long haul? The community surrounding a project is also a vital indicator. Is there an active, engaged, and knowledgeable community? A strong community can signal viability and support. Understand the project's market capitalization and liquidity. A low market cap means higher volatility. The price can swing wildly on small amounts of money. Ensure there is sufficient trading volume on reputable exchanges so you can actually buy and sell your tokens easily when you need to. Be acutely aware of the regulatory landscape. Cryptocurrency is a rapidly evolving space, and regulations are changing constantly in different regions. Understand the legal implications of holding and trading specific tokens where you live. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, assess your own risk tolerance. Cryptocurrency is inherently risky. Only invest funds that you can comfortably afford to lose entirely. Never invest money you need for bills, rent, or emergencies. Now let's talk about the glaring red flags, the warning signs that should make you run for the hills. These are critical to identify. Red flag number 1. Promises of guaranteed returns. In the world of investing, especially crypto, nothing is guaranteed. Anyone promising fixed or unrealistic returns is almost certainly running a scam. Red flag number 2. Anonymous development teams. If you don't know who is building the project, how can you trust them? Legitimate projects are usually transparent about their core team. Red flag number 3. Lack of a clear project roadmap. Does the project have a detailed plan for development, milestones, and future goals? A vague or non-existent roadmap is a major concern. Red flag number 4. Overly complex technology that is difficult to understand even for experts. Sometimes complexity is used to hide flaws or a lack of substance. If you can't grasp the basic concept, be cautious. Here's the golden rule, the ultimate warning. If it sounds too good to be true, it likely is. This applies tenfold in the cryptocurrency market. Finding the next Bitcoin is an incredibly difficult, almost impossible task. Bitcoin was a unique event, born out of specific circumstances that are unlikely to be replicated exactly. It requires painstaking, thorough research. You need to dig deep, beyond the headlines and the hype. It requires a healthy dose of skepticism. Don't believe everything you read or hear, especially on social media. Question everything. Do not let FOMO, the fear of missing out, drive your investment decisions. Emotional investing is the fastest way to lose money. Stick to your research and your plan. The most crucial advice we can give you is this: do your own research. DYOR is not just a catchy phrase, it is your shield in this market. Understand the risks involved before you commit any capital. Be realistic about the potential downsides. Invest responsibly. Make informed decisions based on facts, not hype or emotion. Protect your capital. Thank you for watching and taking the time to educate yourself. This market is exciting, but it demands respect and diligence. If you found this information valuable, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future updates. Remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. We are providing information for educational purposes only. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Stay safe out there and happy investing.